Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Foxy the Proto. And on the phone, I got my buddy.
Yes, I am basically Great Kitty, but,
So, you know, we're not actually playing Orsi Park. We're going to be playing a game called Tornado Blox. It's my first Roblox video on this channel. It's my second Roblox video I've ever made for YouTube. You said you're on Twitch. You're on Twitch, right? Is that you're streaming?
No.
Oh, I thought you said you were streaming.
I wish I was streaming.
You probably could. It'll just be a pain in the butt. That's it.
I'm pulling out of here. I'm peeling out. It's too much for Jim on the hand.
What's that for? I gotta get into the game.
It's too much for a rank for the handle, but now too. If it's too much for the tip line.
Guys, I'm still loading for whatever fucking reason. Oh my goodness. Ow, fuck you.
I'm gonna find some planes.
I'm some run the You guys like, oh, what the hell? Ugh, my thing's being all glitchy. Ugh. Bro, I need to make my gun video. It's not. For my viewers that are watching this, I'm gonna make a gun video. It's not actual guns. Unfortunately, they're fake, like airsoft and air BB guns. Also, you guys like my Abby? Watch the eyes. Watch the eyes. They blink. What'd you say? That's right. Oh god, I just nar, yar. I don't think they can hear you because I don't have you hooked up to my thingy majiggy. Unfortunately, I don't think they can hear you. Sadly, I know. Maybe they can. I'm gonna go with my Tornado Wrangler.
Yeah, if you are able to hear me, you'll be able to hear it for that probably because I'm gonna probably go near Foxy a couple times.
Yeah, I can hear you deploying. I don't even know where you're at. I'm drifting a Tornado Wrangler. Ow!
Yeah, I'm gonna be driving Tip 2.
He's driving a Tip 2. And if you don't know what a Tiv 2 is, tornado means, or Tiv means tornado intercepting vehicle. Is that correct?
Actually, it's called tornado intercept vehicle.
Alright, tornado intercept vehicle.
My Tiv 2 just got eaten from this tornado. It's literally eating it. I'm on 2 wheels.
Oh.
I only have 2 wheels. I'm being shotgun. Oh! I probably shouldn't have to make that noise. Because if they can hear it, then your sound's cooked.
Oops. I just come over there and start beating your ass. You son of a gun, you made my chin. Huh? Oh, that's the tornado. Oh, it's by the barn. I should... Wait. Where is it? Now I'm gonna go inside the barn and deploy. Oh, there's no barn left. But still.
Yeah, it's the whole barn. You can't like that barn. I'm doing some good dinner. Hello?
Scheiße. Oh, fudge. No, 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 no. Well, bye. Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Go! Go! Oh!
Ripping the kid's barn. It's eating his hand. This is my front bumper.
No more bumper for you.
My kid was not hit by that tornado.
See, you lost one wheel on the one set of wheels on the back, one set of wheels on the front, but 2 sets of wheels on the back. You lost your whole engine compartment. Front flap is gone.
Pretty much.
I'm gonna go ahead and get out.
Don't mind. We're gonna respond to our vehicles. Hopefully we don't get absolutely burned by the tornado.
True.
But I'll go for a tornado wrangler too. We didn't intercept us a tornado wrangler. You don't look for their up together.
True. Oh god. Oh. Yeah. Wait, that went over right. That went over my probe. That's over there.
You might have just made some good money. It's changing
Oh.
us. You need to go now. Deploy now. It's here. Either go or deploy.
What do you think I'm trying to do? My deploy's not deploying. There we go. Oh no.
It just took a piece of your deployment item.
Oh damn.
It's actually pretty bad damage.
Oh, there goes my tire. There goes a tire.
Tires on.
3 tires.
You're on one tire. There's a bunch of debris right now.
My last, it's at X62Z0.
I'm gonna smoke some crack. Only got 20 bombs in my pocket. I'm able to run over. We just lost our stuff. Get back in. Now. Get back in.
Woo!
Titus is about to get sucked. Right.
Yep.
I'll use Titus.
Okay.
I cannot get really even burned by this thing. As long as I'm just
Supercar.
really nice. Right? So now I'm gonna did you transform into a supercar?
Yeah, I transformed into a supercar.
It just barely deployed. It's taking a few damage hits on us. Oh no. It might not make it. He just got caught undeployed.
Oh.
Undeployed us. Yeah, we're peeling the hell out of here.
Good idea.
Oh shoot. He just went on our side.
We just went on a trip on our favorite rocket ship.
Through it. Dominator 2 time.
Oh, I just rolled.
Oh, I'm so happy I just deployed. It almost just sucked me in. 2024 Civ 2.
Oh shoot.
If I'm gonna have a live service, I'm gonna then show the people who haven't played it, the 2024 Civ 2.
Okay. My.
Like what a national live service usually is. I see you're already probably here.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
You up there?
Yeah.
Anyway, you do the talking and they probably can't hear me.
Well, I can reposition myself, so I'm close to it. I'll let you know when I'm ready. Go.
So yeah, if I'm able to be heard right now, if you haven't played Tornado Blocks on Roblox, this is what it is. It comes with a generator, airbags, which I'm going to flip right now, and deployments. Yeah, that's it deploying right now. Fast acceleration, but good deployment actually. Like, you can survive.
And this is the 2024 Civ 2, not the normal Civ 2.
Yeah, this is the 2024. See, this is what it looks like.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, so it looks good, but I don't know.
Anyway, I'm gonna.
Yeah, favorite piece of junk. Is being crude, this guy?
Okay.
Favorite piece of junk.
Hunk of junk. You look at my hunk of junk.
Is my vehicle to leave?
Yeah.
Shite that.
I'm good. Yeah, screw it. I'm driving through this tornado in a van of all things.
You know what? So am I. Screw it. Just screw it. It's a van time. It's the van's time to shine.
Ah. Oh my goodness. It's fudge!
No damage! I've got no damage on me.
That was because of you.
Are you able to get sucked in? You got
Nope.
sucked in?
Nope, I didn't get sucked yet.
Neither have I. The storm chasing interceptor van.
Jeez, I just went right next to it.
We just need to attack some spikes in it, and she'll be all set for a interceptor.
Oh my god. Vantive.
Because I can't get sucked up in this thing. I get strong. We're strong in this thing.
Yeah.
Let's intercept this.
Weehoo!
Let's intercept.
Oh shit! Oh,
Oh no!
get in! Quick, quick, quick! Get in! Get in me! Wait, what? Hold up, pause. Get in! Oh!
Bye. You survived that.
Nah, I really went.
I think your
Woo!
van's indestructible.
Get in.
I'm gonna upgrade my storm chasing vehicle to this.
Oh, that's really easy to tip.
Gonna get sucked up though?
Yeah, I think.
Hardly, probably.
Screw you, tornado. Oh, God.
Oh, it's taking tires. It's taking tires.
Hasn't took tire. Oh, you got sucked, didn't you?
It's smoking some crack onto a couple buildings in Manhattan.
Where'd you go?
Over here.
Oh,
I
what
borrowed
the?
the neighbor's kid. I borrowed the neighbor's kid from Walmart.
What just happened to me? I just got, like, flung. That's the end of the map!
Not the end of the map.
Well, I just arrived in heaven.
I'm hiding in the ground. I'm hiding over here. Mesonet's going great right now.
What is it?
My Mesonet is going completely crazy. I'm gonna stack up on a few probes. I got like 3 probes.
Mm.
It's not really easy to drive in this hunk of junk too. So I'm going to just sit up here. Oh, it's taking power lines already. It's taking power lines. It really likes power lines.
Yeah. Fuck you, teleporter.
Let's see if they're 276 heading 175.
Give me a mobile mess on that. Actually, IMAX truck. I can hear you deploying from all the way over here at spawn. Shut up.
Yeah, I'm done deploying.
Finally.
I've got a probe in my truck. Weapon of mass destruction. I'm gonna fly some planes. Only got 20 bombs in my pocket.
Be advised about the IMAX. Oh.
I can go tip 1 and set up my mass destruction probe again.
Oh.
Mass destruction.
I like probing. I like probes. I like probing things.
Oh, it's being stopped or something. Somehow it's just now being stuck or something. Where should I drop my car off? Wait, my last plan.
Oh yeah. Getting some good footage here. Oh yeah. Shake. Oh wait. Shoot. Oh, I gotta go.
Are you peeling out?
Yeah, it's shaking the truck.
Ready up, probe. Ready up the probe, man.
My probe's already been readied. I almost just tipped. Ow. Shut.
My weapon of mass destruction has been set up.
10-4.
I'm gonna reset, fetch more probes.
Oh shh.
I'm gonna get some more probe. And that one's gonna have any. Where should I drop you off at?
Ow. It's like, yeah.
What is that looking junk?
What?
You're driving junk.
I know. It doesn't. It can't even deploy.
At least we can actually afford a good vehicle.
Who's we again? Didn't ask.
Exactly.
Brum.
But we may actually have a better vehicle.
You dare say that?
I dare say that, yeah.
You arse. It's me. I'm reporting you to the police. Oh yeah.
The police are so scary. Not the LAFD.
My truck just despawned. And now because it just despawned while I'm sitting, means I can't move correctly.
Well, you can at least fly some planes into a couple buildings like Manhattan.
Yeah.
Already up the road.
Wait, hold on a sec. I need to check something.
I've read the road.
Oh. Oh, darn. There we go. Because I'm Osama. I'm Osama. I'm gonna. Yo, mama. Shut up! What'd you say?
I'm getting kind of bored. Wind speeds are free on Earth.
Guess what?
What?
Give it a sec. Sounds like nothing my helicopter can't handle.
It just went to 500.
Oh shit.
I don't think your helicopter can handle that.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna smoke some crack into a couple buildings in Manhattan. I'm gonna go find some.
Oh, we're shaking. I repeat, we're shaking and baking. Oh, what the heck? Oh, he just got deleted partially. Okay. Let's see a fireball over there. Oh. Well,
I smoked some crack and only got 20 bucks in my pocket.
I'm flying through the air.
You guys are tornadoes dying down. We're not 86 winds.
Tornado dying down. It just ripped my truck apart. Tell my mom I love her. Oh wait, hold on. Tell my mom I love her. Tell my mom I love her. Yeah.
I'm going to go to that yellow house. I'm going to go to that special moment.
Yeah. You know what?
For some reason, you survived on that beat.
Bebas. Tornado has been regened.
I have no reaction. I just walked past it.
You just walked past it?
Mm-hmm.
Dial 6. activate radar.
What is my toilet thrown in this game?
Mm.
I ripped it apart. I'm hanging on its feet barely.
Casually, just go.
Toilet bowl and stuff too.
Oh, yeah. I just went on a casual drive with my DOW. For those who don't know what a DOW is, that stands for Doppler on wheels. And we are deploying. Yo, I'm coming. Let me in. Let me in. It's coming.
I'm in here. I'm in here.
Oh,
I need a poopy.
oh. I'm gonna poop you on your heady now. Thank you. Thank you is wild, dog. Well, let me
No
just.
wonder I'm from here.
Oh, goddamn.
It's here. It's here.
So am I. Oh. Did I do this? Did I do the POW?
You're taking a giant dump in game. The toilet bowl is exploding.
Wait, what?
The toilet's exploding.
Insert blowing up sound here.
Meow. The toilet's exploding with brown dump and it's oozing out.
Oh.
Or no. It's exploding.
Uh-oh.
Get off of my head.
No. Make me get off your head.
You like to leave the toilet to make me get off my head?
Yes.
Don't dump me in the shower.
I said.
Don't dump me in the shower. I'm dumpy here.
Starts taking a dump on your head. You just feel this warm. You feel this warm brown ooze start coming down your neck, and it's not in one spot. It's like all over the back of your neck. You just feel it coming down. And it feels like there's warm water coming from top of you, like, and hitting you in the center of your skull.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Roll I'm gonna take a roll. I'm gonna roll for persuasion. 12 being I successfully persuaded you. 1 being you don't believe me.
When he's going down into it, what am I drinking? Warm.
I'm gonna roll a persuasion check. 12 being you believe me. 1 being you don't believe anything I said. And I just rolled a 10. So right, I just rolled a 10. So I persuaded you into believing me, but something just feels off.
So what do you make me believe anyway?
You believe that it's not, that there's it's just nothing. You just think it's a busted pipeline. But there's like a weird smell to it, and you're not super sure about it. Why did I turn?
Are you taking a dump in the shower now?
Yeah,
Where do you go?
he'll never know. Where the fuck did my truck go?
Oh, you left. You left the room.
No, oh.
I can come by myself.
You go to
Morgan, where'd you go? My legs!
you go to scratch your head, and you feel something weird.
It's Morgan sticky.
Not what I was thinking. What the hell? I'm also. Oh, me too, bro. I'm also warm and sticky. Wait, what? roll for persuasion. The hell. Alright, y'all. It's been your boy Foxy the Proto. I'm gonna end the video here. See ya, y'all. Finger.